This video is a monoprint tutorial. We need print inks. I have them in black and white. Also, I'm using some red. This is a tube of gouache paint. I recommend you not to use acrylic paints. We need a small rubber roller to mix colors, 2 A4 acrylic perspex sheets. As you see, I used them before. A white rubber roller for pressing, a water spray if our colors get dry, some kitchen towel for cleaning and drying, some water and soap for cleaning as well, and a small brush. A gel plate, you can find it in any art shop. As you see, it is flexible and easy to use. I used it before, that's why you can see some marks, but it is perfectly clean. And finally, we need some bits and pieces of lace and mesh fabric. Okay, let's start. I add white and black on top of one perspex sheet to make gray, and white and red on another one to make dark pink. First, using the palette knife to mix the colors thoroughly. And then with a small roller, I spread the paint and transfer the paint using the same roller on the gel plate. Don't spread the paint too thick. I cleaned and dried my roller. Now I add the pink color I made to the other half of my plate. Now I use the small brush and some red paint to draw a line. After washing the brush, I use black to draw some black dots on the plate. I add some random lines. This is an abstract and experimental kind of drawing. Now with clean hands, place the paper carefully on top and use the white roller to press a few times and roll at the same time. Here is your first print finished. For the second print, I cleaned my gel plate. Using the same palette paints, this time I mixed the colors using the small roller and spread the paint on gel plate without any order. Place the bits and pieces on top. I add this white little star I cut before. Same pattern again, paper on top, press and roll. Here is your second print. I use this fish photo. I cut it the same size as my gel plate. I place it underneath the gel plate. Then I start drawing on my gel plate using the small brush. You can add details as much as you like to. After cleaning the brush, I use the pink color I had to add some texture around the fish. And again, with clean hands, place the paper on top of the gel plate, roll and press. Here is my third print. You can see closely the texture and details I got in my monoprints.